Biden finally acknowledges Tesla and includes Elon Musk in an electric vehicles meeting.
I feel like we did this already.
Yeah, this might be a slightly different angle on it. Elon Musk has repeatedly complained about not being mentioned. This one focuses more on the fact that he had been neglected for so long. President Joe Biden can no longer pretend Tesla doesn't exist in the U.S. April 6th, senior officials of the Biden administration held a meeting with Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Oh, yeah, that's right. Musk questioned on Twitter why Tesla wasn't invited to Biden's signing ceremony of an executive order urging American. That was the thing that happened in the past. He commented under the tweet where the video was when he had said GM, great companies, great American companies like GM and Ford.
Elon was just seething.
Yeah. He said starts with a T, ends with an A. That it was his tweet was something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
It's hard on Twitter to know how irritated somebody actually is.
Yeah.
Like he could write that with a look on his face like, or he could write that with a look on his face like,
Because everything on Twitter sounds snarky, so it's really hard to tell.
I know. And if you have to guess, it's easier for some reason to guess about that it's probably the angry one.
Yeah.
Than the happy one. It's weird.
Angry is just default.
It's so easy to perceive it as being that. Anyway, so he has had a meeting now, and the big part of this, the important part of this is that they're gonna have to coordinate to figure out charging, the best case scenario for charging. And by coordinate, I'm obviously talking about GM, Ford, everybody, Toyota, Hyundai, everybody, Tesla. I said Tesla starts with a T, ends with an A. I'm gonna get Biden over here. I'm gonna get a comment underneath. When Will goes ahead and gets Elon on the show, he's going to say starts with a T, ends with an A. Shout out Dylan. The goal is 50% of EVs by 2030. 50% of cars sold will be EVs. And at the end of 2021, there's only 43,000 public EV charging stations, 1,300 superchargers. Yeah, well, it's not enough. So they're going to invest money. What are they going to do? $7.5 billion in federal funding has been approved. They got to roll out more chargers. I was at your supercharger.
In Barrie?
Yeah, I was over there.
You were telling me that thing's stupid fast.
It's great.
That's crazy.
It's fast. I got the screen in there. I'm watching the things.
Right.
Maybe you got a snack.
How long are you sitting there?
Well, I didn't need like a full deal. I might have only been there for like 12, 13 minutes.
Wow. How much you get?
I don't remember.
Okay.
It's blazing fast. I mean, it's probably most of what you need in 20 minutes. Like, it's fast. Like, if you want to go to the plaza or eat or something, it's more than enough time.
Okay.